Hello guys, welcome to Tech Craves. Today I'm going to tell you how sometimes where the taskbar was before it goes to another place. So I'm telling you how to fix it. Sometimes your taskbar is unlocked, some other problems happen. So that's why it happens like that. But everyone will go lock the taskbar and all they will do. But I am telling you very easy. See. I think anyone can have it on any side. Some can have it on top, some can have it on right, some can have it on bottom, left, anything. So if my one is on top, this will work for wherever it is. Okay. See, first I will tell you from the beginning. See, in settings I go. There go in personalization. Then go in taskbar. After that, you go in here, slide down here, click on it, mount it on the bottom, how it looks the best. As you can see, I have set it to the bottom. See, here it is written now bottom. If you found this video then helpful, then subscribe, like, and I have a target for you. Then make 10 likes on this video, and if in 5 days you make us 10 to make us 10 subscribers, then I will upload the thing where Windows key shortcuts. If you make the likes 10 and a subscriber 10, if you make it, then I will make a very important video on shortcut keys of Windows 10. So bye guys, I will meet you in the next video, and another video will come today. Okay, after that I will meet you on the 21st. Okay, no, if you make it 10 subscribers, then I will meet you before it. Okay, because I have some projects from school. Okay, so thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.